Ever find yourself wondering how to stay on top in this whirlwind of the AI revolution? Excited to pick up skills that ensure you not only keep up but actually thrive in this ever-changing world? Well, you're in the right place. In today's video, we'll uncover the top 9 AI skills you absolutely need to master to stay ahead of 97% of people. These aren't your typical skills. They're essential non-technical abilities that will help you seize AI opportunities, no matter your profession or industry. Stick around till the end because we've saved the best tip for last. Number 9, prompt engineering. It's like the art of asking your genie, the AI, the perfect question to get just the outcome you desire. Imagine AI as a magic lamp. If you don't phrase your wish correctly, you might end up with something unexpected. Mastering prompt engineering allows you to tap into AI's full potential. How? By understanding context, using precise language, and foreseeing possible responses. Picture this. You're a content writer, tasked with a blog about dating apps. Instead of the bland, write a blog about dating apps, spice it up with, you're now an expert relationship coach. Write a blog on the top 5 benefits of dating apps for men. See how refining your prompt makes the result more targeted and engaging? Moving on to number 8, AI-powered personal branding. In the age of AI, your personal brand can be a game changer. Think of it as a vibrant mosaic showcasing who you are and what you offer. Using AI tools can refine and enhance this mosaic, making it even more compelling. Imagine a freelance graphic designer using AI to create a stunning portfolio. AI can help with logos, content generation, and even managing your social media presence. It's like having a virtual assistant that ensures consistency across the board. Now, number 7, data storytelling and visualization. Transforming raw data into compelling narratives and visuals makes your findings relatable and persuasive. Why is this critical? As AI handles more data, extracting meaningful insights becomes even more valuable. Imagine a nonprofit using storytelling to highlight the water crisis. They could transform complex data into a narrative that inspires action, like an interactive map showing water scarcity. It's about making data speak a language everyone can understand. Number 6, creative AI thinking. This is envisioning groundbreaking applications for AI. It's the fusion of human creativity and AI's power, leading to solutions once thought impossible. Imagine an artist using AI to craft mesmerizing digital art, or a musician blending genres in new ways. It's all about breaking free from conventional norms. Onward to number 4, AI project management. As AI spreads across industries, skilled project managers are essential. It's about balancing technical and non-technical skills, from tech understanding to managing teams. Imagine launching an AI-powered chatbot for an airline. It requires aligning the project with brand standards and anticipating challenges. Number 3 is natural language processing, or NLP. Understanding how AI interprets human language is key. Whether it's text or speech, having a basic grasp of NLP equips you to create user-friendly interfaces and relevant content. For instance, a social media manager using NLP for sentiment analysis can refine strategies accordingly. Number 2, curiosity and continuous learning. In AI's fast-paced world, these are your secret weapons. It's about keeping up with AI developments, trying new tools, and staying open to change. Picture a marketer using an AI tool to enhance ad campaigns. Curiosity drives learning, unlocking new possibilities. Finally, number 1, intuitive understanding of AI limitations. Knowing AI's boundaries helps make informed decisions and promotes responsible AI practices. Imagine a recruiter using AI for job applications. Understanding the tool's limits ensures ethical use, fostering diversity and inclusion. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe for more AI insights. Thanks for watching.